Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on Litecoin. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 60-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 60 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 60-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And because this cryptocurrency market is open 24 hours a day, it just allows me to talk more so about broader terms and broader areas on the chart, because obviously the chart, depending on when you watch this, even if it's just a few hours from now, is going to look a little bit different. So that's why I don't want to focus on super short-term areas, because from that perspective, the chart can kind of get itself a little outdated very quickly. But if I focus on more so bigger picture areas, things stand and remain relevant for a longer period of time. So the first part I want to start off with is this area of resistance that the price, or that I should say, was created today, and that's right here at $280. This level comes from just a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support. So let's first establish that this area was indeed a level of support. But you look here, 280 bounced, 280 bounced, 280 bounced, and then right there, 280 bounced once again. But the rule states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So right here is where the price broke below it. And then if you look right here, you can see that it makes perfect sense. This rule plays out to a T. You'd expect this area to act as resistance, and that's exactly what's happened over the recent history right there. On 2 different occasions, the price has tried to get back up above 280, but just hasn't been quite able to do it. So 280 is that newest level of resistance that was formed today. In the event the price can push up through 280, the next key level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. The one observation with this is it's been a while since the direction has tilted. You can see now that this direction of the purple line is sloping downwards. For a very long time, it was just sloping upwards and upwards and upwards. But now the trend has changed a little bit. Am I saying that the entire chart is ruined? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that with the deeper pullback here, the medium-term trend has started to shift. And that'll definitely be kind of the next area of resistance, but one step at a time. And that first step is, again, getting up above $280. What about potential areas of support if this pullback continues? In the event this continues to pull back, next key level that I'm keeping an eye on is down here at $240, which was this previous breakout point down around here. So that's the next level of support if the price cannot bounce back up and get above 280. If it decides to roll back over, the quote-unquote roll back over point, probably down around 240, that would not be shocking to see at all. But we'll see what happens with it. A lot of eyeballs on this one. Obviously, this one made a huge move not that long ago. So a lot of people talking about it. We'll see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. But then again, the market is open 24/7. So tomorrow's not really the end of the week. But well, you get what I mean. We'll see what happens with it when I come back and ideally update the chart tomorrow at the close. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.